Welcome back to my channel. So, how are you all?
Classification of living things, exploring the diversity of life.
Classification. So, how do we classify? Classification एक process होता है of sorting living organism into groups. जो living organism है इसको sort कर देता है groups में. इसको divide कैसे करते हैं on the basis of similarities and differences. This system helps scientists to study organism in a systematic way. अब सबको इतनी vast variety को पढ़ना is not easy, right? So हम इसको divide कर देते हैं एक systematic way में इसको sort out कर देते हैं so that we can or the scientists can study the organism very well. Now, what's the importance of classification? So it organizes the knowledge, as I said. It helps in organizing vast amount of information about living organisms. Identify relationship. It also reveals how different kinds of species are related to each other. Aids in identification makes it easier to identify and categorize new species. Provides uniformity, ensures that scientists all over the world use same names for the organism. अब अगर हमने सेम टाइप से इसको क्लासिफाई कर दिया तो इट ऑल्सो थ्रूआउट ऑल साइंटिस्ट जो वर्ल्ड में है, सब सेम तरीके से पढ़े और उनको सेम तरीके से नॉलेज प्रोवाइड हो. Levels of classification, taxonomic ranks. Living organisms are classified into hierarchical categories. The major levels from broadest to the most species specific are. So classifications के level होते हैं. So levels are divided into kingdom and then phylum and class and order and family, genus and species. और हमको इसको इसी order में ही याद रखना पड़ेगा. So first we talk about kingdom. Kingdom is the highest level which group organized based on basic similarities. सबसे smallest and basic kind of similarities में हमने kingdom को divide कर दिया. Animalia and Plantae. Then comes phylum. Kingdom के बाद आता है phylum. Group organism within the kingdom that share a major body structure. Example, chordata in animals. Chordata क्या होता है? Those who have a, flexible rod around their dorsal side. Then comes class. Further divides phyla into groups within a similar feature. Example, Mammalia within Chordata. Order. Groups organism within a class. Example, Carnivora in mammals. Order के बाद आता है family. Group organism within the order that are closely related. Example, Felidae, the cat family. Then comes genus or genes. A group of species that are very similar and closely related. Example, Panthera for big cats. And at last, we have species, the most specific level identifying the individual organism that can interbreed with each other. Example, Panthera leo, the lion. The five kingdoms of life. So there, the kingdoms were classified as five divisions. Living things are broadly classified into five kingdoms. Those five kingdoms were proposed by Robert Whittaker. They were Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. So let's talk about Monera first. It includes bacteria and archaea, and its characteristics are they're single celled with no nucleus, so they are prokaryotic. Some are autotrophic as they make their own food, and some are heterotrophic as they rely on other organisms for food. Then comes Protista. It includes protozoa, algae, and slime fold. The characteristics are they're mostly single celled, but they have nucleus, so they're eukaryote. And it can be either autotrophic or heterotrophic. Then comes fungi. It includes mushroom, yeast, molds. The characteristics are they're mostly multicellular, they are eukaryote, of course they have nucleus. They absorb nutrients from decomposing organic material, so they are heterotrophic. Here it is written as heterotrophs, but it actually saprophytes as it absorbs nutrients from decomposing organic. Then it comes plantae. Now plantae and animalia, they have a vast kingdom. They are vast kingdom. So plantae, it includes trees, flowers, and grasses. Their characteristics are they're multicellular, eukaryote. So we know that only Monera is prokaryote, and after all those four kingdoms, they are eukaryote only. Okay, so where we were, characteristics of plantae: multicellular, eukaryote, autotrophic, produce their own food through photosynthesis. Animalia. Animalia, it includes insects, fish, birds, mammals. The characteristics are they are multicellular, eukaryote, heterotrophic, as they can't make their own food. They're capable of movement at some stage of life. Binomial nomenclature. So क्या होता है ये? It is developed by Carl Linnaeus. The system gives each species a two-part scientific name. हम जो भी animals या plants जो भी है हम उनको जिस नाम से जानते हैं that's a common name. But scientists जो होते हैं they use a scientific name. So how they create the scientific name is that जो first letter होता है it is made up of genus name. So it is capitalized. उसका जो first letter होगा that will be capitalized. And then comes the species name. It is lowercase. For example, Homo sapiens, humans. Now Homo sapien में H is capitalized whereas sapiens में S is in lowercase.
Let's take an example for classification. For example, house cat. So its kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Mammalia, order is Carnivora, family is Felidae, genus is Felis, species is Feliscatus.
Another example that we can take up of is rose plant. So its kingdom is Plantae, phylum is Angiosperms, flowering plants, class is Dicotyledons, order is Rosalis, family is Rosaceae, genus is Rosa, species is Rosa indica. Hopefully you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more related videos. Thanks.